guys, so we're here in San Fernando, Laos Group with, ayan, I think this is around 400 riders na. Yes, so totally nakalista ngayon is we're going to ride with 500 riders papuntang Subi. So we're going to support our soldiers sa West Philippine Sea. You're gonna see their bikes, you know, iba-iba. And so I'm used to riding with puro CB and dun lang sa ano. And I think this is the biggest ride so far na kasamahan ko. You know, Triumph. And yan, nakita ko si Naj Abdul dun sa listahan. So let's see, ayun, may mga kotse tayong kasama, may mga paparating pa. Yes. Yan, so pagdating dito, we had our snacks. Meron silang bread. May bread dito. May tinapay. Yan. Saging and egg. And meron siyang coffee. Ayan yung coffee. So, as part of security protocol, meron silang binigay ng mga stub stickers. Ikakabit natin to sa helmet para ano tayo, verified dun sa Naval Operations Base, Subic. Siyempre, kampo ng sundalo yan. So, ayan, kakabit lang natin. Ride for West Philippine Sea. Alright. Natin ang West Philippine Sea. Sa helmet naman ng OBR. So, yan. So, inisan lang natin. And, ayan. Ride for West Philippine Sea. Alright. So yan, inintay na lang namin yung iba dumating. At marami na. Bitaw na kami, bitaw. Kasama ko ang TNCI, Pinoy Ninja. Yan o, mga Kawasaki. Ay, paano pala to? Fireblade. Mga Kawasaki. Ayan, so dito kami ngayon sa Subic and daming mga ano dyan, mga warship natin, mga Navy ship. Ayan. We're here with around 500 riders. Pakita ko. Daming, sorry guys. Ayan o. Daming yun. This is BRT Tarlac over there. And nandyan si BRT Jose Rizal and Antonio Luna. West Philippine Sea! Akin ka! Woo! West Philippine Sea! Akin ka! Woo! Senator. Pa-picture po, Sen.
Balik na! Wow, nagkabuhok na ako! Ikaw na lang! Kilala mo ba to?
Yan. Thank you po.
Kilala mo ba to?
Sabi po nila, habang big back ride ka in the back, you will have the following benefits.
Ilap natin ang Team Royal. Ayun, oh. Bye, sir. And so we're currently on the bridge deck yan, ng BRP Tarlac. And for security and confidential reasons, hindi ko na pinakita yung loob ng barko. As you can see, ang daming tao dito. Say hi to the vlogs.
Hi, so I am currently single. So if you want to call me, just PM him, then
PM
he will
you.
PM me.
Yo! Yan yung kanyang mast. So that's another ship. Ayan, so tapos na kami sa aming tour. So BRP Tarlac lang yung tinur namin. Hindi na, again,
Bye.
hindi na namin pinakita yung barko kasi confidential.
Ayan, eto siya.
Ayan. BRP Tarlac. Ayan.
Antonio Luna.
Antonio Luna.
And so forth.
Ayan, so we're going home. Ayan, we're going home. Bye-bye.